Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 20 SE, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the contacts application, which for me is right over here. You want to open up the standalone version of it. And once you open it up, you want to choose the three bars right here, navigate to settings, where you'll find import option at the bottom. From here, you want to select that you want to import contacts from SIM card. And once you do, it will show you all the contacts that are on that SIM card. By default, they will all be selected as long as they are not already on your device. If they are, those contacts that are repeating will be deselected and also grayed out, so you won't be able to select them. Now additionally, you can also deselect it yourself by, as you can see, just tapping on this box right there. And from there, click on import to import every selected contact. And there you go, it tells us the amount of contacts that have been imported, and if we go back, we'll be able to see them now in your contacts list. That being said, this is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.